Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can make payouts on RazorpayX and automatically categorize them and sync them to Zoho. Let's go and create a payout over here. Let me just search the contact name, choose the fund account. Now this is a very important step where you have to choose the payout purpose. This payout purpose will be used to categorize your transaction in Zoho. We create a rule based on these payout purposes. So over here, let me choose automobile expenses. You can also add a custom purpose over here if you want. You can even attach a file over here. Let's try attaching a file. You can also add a reference number over here. In case you want to add a GST treatment to this expense, to this payout while syncing it to Zoho, this reference number will be used as the invoice number over there. Let's add an invoice reference number over here. Click on next. Let's refresh the list. You can see the payout is not processed. Now we go to the accounting section that we have added in RazorpayX. Go to Categorise tab. As you can see, there's one transaction pending in Categorise section. This is a section where all your transactions which don't have a Zoho expense account come into. Now we want to categorize this transaction. Let's click on Categorize all expenses. You'll find the payout on the left hand side. You can even view the attachment over here to find more details on what the attachment is about exactly. Now I'm going to choose automobile expenses over here as an expense account. I also want to add a GST treatment over here. So let me add a GST treatment. Let me just enter the GSTIN. If this particular contact had GSTIN already entered in our system at RazorpayX, then this would have been auto-populated. Create a tax slab over here. Let's choose the tax slab as 12%, and you can make it the default tax category for this payout purpose. Every time automobile expense is chosen, 12% tax will be automatically applied. Now let's also create a rule so that every time this particular payout purpose as automobile expense is chosen, it will be automatically categorized as automobile expenses Zoho books. Click on it, and you can see the transaction is being categorized. Now, any other transaction that you would have in this category section would have been automatically categorized if the purpose was automobile expense. Go to the sync tab, and over here, you can sync the transaction to Zoho. You can also sync individual line items or in bulk. Let's sync this transaction to Zoho. Once the transaction is synced, you can view it in the synced section. Click on view on Zoho. And as you can see, the transaction is automatically categorized. We have also automatically added the tax percentage, the invoice number, and all the other details. As you can see, with RazorpayX integration with Zoho, you can simplify your accounting processes and close your books faster and with much more accuracy. Thank you.